Special moments in agriculture always arise when the power of nature, your expertise, and innovative technology come together. Whether on a family farm or in a contracting business, it is passion that counts. It's all about you, because you give your best for your family, your business, your future. And us, we give our best to support you.
Pack it up, pack it in, now it's time to begin. We're gonna get it started.
With modern, efficient agricultural technology you can rely on. With 5 new tractors that are always at your side.
Yeah, the best is yet to come. The future's burning brighter than the sun. Yeah, the best is yet to come.
Because whatever happens, with the new Fendt 1000 Vario, you always have a strong partner. You know that with it, you can achieve anything. Then there is that moment when you realize that your Fendt 800 Vario is the best colleague in the world. Simply because it makes every working day a pleasure. Or the moment when you are so proud that your new Fendt 700 Vario not only inspires you because you feel it every day, but it also impresses in independent tests with top marks for payload, fuel efficiency, performance, and maneuverability. And nothing beats that great moment when you realize that the next generation is ready. In fact, they've been waiting for it. The new Fendt 500 Vario is your partner for the future. And then there's family, always by your side. And right in the middle of it all is the new Fendt 300 Vario, which is more than just a tractor, because it's simply part of the family. What could be better than these big and small moments with Fendt by your side? So you can give your best.
Yeah, the best is yet to come. The future's burning brighter than the sun. The best is yet to come. I'm watching you day dawning. It shines on everyone. Yeah, the best is yet to come. The future's burning brighter than the sun. Yeah, the best is yet to come.
Best of farming. The best moments in agriculture.